Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a look at what to do if you've got an unresolvable error message on your ER180 register. So in this video I'm going to generate an error message. I'm going to try and resolve it with an initial clear, but the error message I'm getting is quite a fatal one, so I'm then going to have to perform a factory reset. Just a word of warning, when I perform the factory reset I am accepting that I am losing all sales and programming data on the till. I'm doing it as a last resort to get the till operational again, but I will be starting again from scratch with having to program the machine and having lost all my sales data. So if you've got an error message and you've not seen some of our other videos on error message resolution, I'd recommend checking those out, because a lot of errors on this sort of machine are quite easily resolvable. So this is like a last resort video, so that's kind of a disclaimer. What I would definitely recommend is watching the video all the way through to see the end result and see how I get on with my different attempts. So the history of this machine is I've been using it for doing the videos on and off for the last couple of years. It's not actually been out of its box again for a while, and when I've come to do a new one it's generated some kind of error which I'll now show you. So it's coming up with E00, which normally is an easy error message to resolve. It simply means the wrong buttons have been pressed in the wrong sequence, and you can normally press clear to get rid of it, but as you can see here, every button I press nothing's happening. I can't change the mode and I can't clear the error message. So the first thing I'm going to try is an initial clear. So I've powered down the machine. You then press subtotal, turn the machine back on, and then release the subtotal button, and that is an initial clear. Obviously what should happen is the error message should go, which it has done, but it should come up and tell me what mode I'm in. Now the machine is completely dead. I'm getting no response whatsoever, so that's not a good thing. So the next step is to try a factory reset, which is done by, again, turning the power off. This time you press and hold down the charge button, turn the machine back on, release the charge button, and then you press feed, tax, mode calc, followed by the cache button here, and basically the machine now performs the factory reset. So as I say, only perform this on your machine as an absolute last resort if you're in a situation like I am where I'm just unable to use the machine or get it to do anything. We'll bring the machine back to life with the trade-off that we've lost all programming and sales data. So the machine should now tell you what mode you're in. So you're in the service mode. That's when it's done the factory reset, that's the mode that it puts you in. So you want to go back to the reg position, and then you should be able to log on if it's worked by pressing 1 and then the Clark button. There we go, 0.00 on the display. Can I punch in a sale? Yes I can, but you can see that the date here is set back to the 1st of January 2000 and midnight is the time, but at least the till's operational, so we can go to read, reset, program, service, void, and then reg. So you can use the till straight away. Obviously you can put sales through. If you're looking to reprogram the machine, then I'll put up links to the video showing you how to set the receipt header up and the department, so they should be appearing on screen now. So you're welcome to check out those videos. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.